Hello everyone, this is Tolis, Yammy Licks. Imagine a melody that dances between tension and release, transforming any note into a melody. In this video, we'll explore how chord extensions and outside phrases share the improvisational brilliance of Paul Desmond and Dave Brubeck. In take 5, let's decode the magic together. What are the extensions? The best way for one to understand what are the extensions is to have a basic knowledge about chord construction, especially in tertian harmony, by stacking thirds. For instance, if we have a root bass to build the chord, then we can use stacked thirds, one above the other, up to the 13th. E flat minor 7th chord, 1, 3, 5, flat 7th. Those notes are all inside the octave. Notes that are inside the octave considered to be chord tones. 9th, 11th, 13th. Those notes are placed above the octave. They called extensions or sibilitensions. Chord tones, together with extension notes, they give us the full chord sound, which is simply called the chord sound. According to different kind of chords and their functionality in music, those extensions may be varied in many ways, such as flat 9, sharp 11, flat 13. Today, using the iconic vamp of Dave Brubeck, Paul Desmond, Joe Morello, legendary 5/4 meter chord vamp of take 5, we will explore how to improvise over E flat minor 7th chord sound using all these colorful notes such as 9th, 11th, 13 or 6th, and major 7th. Let's try it. Improvisation isn't just about playing notes, it's about conveying emotion, telling a story, and taking risks. The 4th or 11th of the E flat minor chord. Now, two scales I personally use to create melodies around this note is the E flat pentatonic blues scale and the E flat Dorian scale. Now let's hear some melodies around the 4th, mainly using those two sounds. The 9th, the two scales I use to create melodies around the 9th is again the E flat Dorian, the E flat melodic minor, and why not the E flat harmonic minor. Now let's hear some melodies using those sounds around the 9th. The sixth, a very mysterious note. Of course, I use the Dorian scale again. The melodic minor. I don't use the harmonic minor because it has flat sixth. And let's play some melodies around the sixth. Now it's time for our tiny coffee break. You may like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's move on. The major seventh, this hip note here. Certainly I use the harmonic minor scale. The melodic minor scale. I also use some triads to emphasize those notes, and two main triads I use is the D flat major triad over the A flat minor chord, which is the ninth of the A flat, the flat seventh, and the 11th, the fourth. The A flat major triad, which is the 11th, 6th, and root. Now let's mix up everything we talked about so far, and I will try to write on the screen the sounds I hear when I'm hearing back at my improvisation. That was it for me today. If you find this video helpful, Please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.